Germany finalizes $8.4 billion deal for 35 F-35 fighter jets. Germany has officially committed to purchasing 35 F-35A Lightning II fighter jets from U.S. defense giant Lockheed Martin. The deal, valued at approximately $8.4 billion, around $8.8 billion, marks a significant step in Berlin's military modernization plans, particularly in replacing the aging Panavia Tornado fleet by 2030. Strategic acquisition. The F-35A, known for its stealth, advanced sensors and interoperability with NATO forces, was selected as the best fit for Germany's evolving defense posture. As part of this modernization, the first deliveries are scheduled for 2026, with the initial batch of 8 aircraft to be based in the United States for pilot and crew training. Delivery timeline: 2026. 8 aircraft, training units stationed. In the US, 2027, 10 aircraft. 2028, 10 aircraft. 2029, 7 aircraft. Potential expansion. Germany is also considering purchasing an additional 8 F-35s, though this is contingent on future budget availability. The initial order is funded through a special $100 billion defense modernization fund, which is now nearing depletion. Any additional purchases may need to rely on the country's regular defense budget, which faces significant constraints. NATO, nuclear role. One of the core strategic reasons behind the F-35 selection is its compatibility with US-made B-61 nuclear bombs, fulfilling Germany's role in NATO's nuclear sharing arrangements. This ensures Berlin can continue to participate in the alliance's nuclear deterrence posture, amid rising geopolitical tensions in Europe and beyond. Sovereignty concerns. Despite the aircraft's technological advantages, the deal has sparked debate within Germany and the broader defense community over sovereignty and operational independence. Key concerns include: the United States retains the ability to remotely disable the F-35s under certain national security circumstances. Control over critical software and long-term maintenance resides with the US, limiting Germany's autonomy in operating and upgrading the jets independently. Germany's decision to join the exclusive club of F-35 operators signals a strong commitment to NATO and to modernizing its military capabilities. The stealth fighters bring cutting-edge combat power and nuclear delivery capability. However, The trade-off may be a growing dependence on US systems and decision-making, raising important questions about strategic independence in future European defense planning.